Hannah here with Lydia. So I got a snack crate specifically to have some fun snacks to have while doing school. And this is the mini box. They come in like 3 different sizes, so each size will have more and more snacks in it. So snack crate, and this month we have Canada.
This is not a paid sponsorship. This is just an unboxing video.
And trying. Lydia's here to help me try out the snacks. So we have Canada this month. This will be interesting. Ooh, look. There's a recipe for making Canadian poutine. I have to try that. And the list of the food? Well, the foods that you can get in the box. So the Canada brochure has like fun facts about Canada, stuff about Canada, just cool information. All right. Yep. All right. So today, what we've got in the box, we've got Old Dutch ketchup chips. What else do we have?
We also have all dressed in
Ruffles.
yeah that.
Next, we have a 100% pure maple syrup lollipop.
Fuzzy peach gummies. And
No. Macintosh's creamy toffee.
What is this?
Gums.
Oh, it's gum. It's upside down.
Thrills. Nope, other way.
Oh.
Thrills gum. Apparently, this gum tastes like soap. I don't know how that's gonna taste. Okay, so what are you doing? Oh, you want to try it too?
Keep going.
Okay, so start with the ketchup chips. Now, okay, we've got cups of water here because when you're tasting different foods, you do want to rinse your mouth out as we know. So ketchup chips are famous Canadian chips that are a perfect mix of savory and salty flavors with a hint of sweetness that apparently makes them irresistible. They smell like ketchup. They smell like Heinz's ketchup.
Kind of smells like McDonald's.
Okay, count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3.
They taste like the onion, onion cream chips. That Lay's
Sour cream and onion? I don't know what that tastes like. That was interesting. I gotta try another one. Wanna try one, Mama?
ketchup aftertaste.
This is our Mama.
Hi.
You can have no chips.
It smells like ketchup. Oh, I don't know what they taste like. I don't even know if they make them anymore. There used to be this snack, and they were like French fries. They're kind of like the veggie straws, but they were not veggie straws. They were processed food. I don't even know what they're called. Well, for those of you that like ketchup, these are pretty cool. So if you ever go to Canada,
Ketchup chips.
definitely get you some ketchup chips.
Right, good. Alright, next we got the all dressed Ruffles. Okay, so think about this. These are the most popular chip in Canada. They're made with paprika and a secret blend of spices. Okay, I think my mouth is tight. What about your?
It's weird because it, like, I don't think I have ketchup, and then I smell my fingers with ketchup, and so I,
Sweet, smell that. Does this have a smell?
I get like a smell. I like the vinegar at the very end, and then I'm not sure what it tastes. Smells like. It tastes like.
Okay,
It's deemed tasty.
ready?
1, 2.
Ow. I think I don't know. There was something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what it was though.
Okay, it kind of tastes like sour cream and onion.
There's kind of that potato chip flavor to it, but there's something else.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just not sure what. Well, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah, these are really good. I can tell they're popular.
Right? I know. You can get a bag of these and just eat them. Okay, so there's only one lollipop in here, so we're both gonna have to take a lick.
You can look from one end. Each you can have that side, I can have that side.
Yeah.
It's probably just gonna taste like maple syrup.
I want to save the gum for last. We'll do that in a minute. Oh, let's try these. I want to find out what these gummies are. These are packed with flavor and made with real fruit juice. I can't get this thing. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Ready?
How about I get also from this?
Yeah. Okay, that definitely tastes like peach.
Yeah. Kind of tangy.
Mm-hmm.
Like a peachy sour patch.
That might be the coating.
Probably. Yeah, these are good too. I like these.
Right? I don't think I've had toffee in a while. Have you ever had toffee?
I think I had it like once.
Whoa!
So this toffee, it's Macintosh toffee. It's been enjoyed in Canada for over 100 years. It's also known for not being too hard, but also not too soft.
Ain't that the truth? I can't break it. Okay, I'm just gonna take a bite. Never mind.
Knives are a thing. See, that one wouldn't work.
I don't think it's going to work.
I might need a sharper one.
No, just take a bite. We'll wash that. That'll have to go towards that pot bag. If I couldn't even bite it. I don't think about it. On the other hand, it honestly just kind of tastes like regular toffee.
Really doesn't taste like anything, really.
Yeah, it just tastes like toffee.
Kind of butterscotchy.
I've never had butterscotch.
Oh, I know what it tastes like. Those little lollipops that they give you at like the haircut salons, you know.
Yeah, honestly, that just tastes like regular toffee. Okay, that was kind of like unexciting in and of itself, but cool all the same because it's not like a brand we get here in America.
Yeah.
Okay, now for the lollipop. Do you want to open it?
Sure.
You open it.
It's weird. Ah, yes.
Yeah.
Weird plastic. It's incredibly hard to open. Maybe we should just stab it with a fork right here.
Maybe. Or not. Ooh, the cameraman can get it. Get it, cameraman.
You know, thinking about this, how it tastes, how it's supposed to taste like soap, it kind of reminds me of Harry Potter flavor, or Bertie Bott's ever flavored beans, you know?
Have you got your vomit?
Nope, I avoid all the weird colored ones.
I have Bertie Bott. Oh, so the maple lollipop is pure maple syrup.
It's quintessentially, it's a quintessentially Canadian treat. I cannot talk anymore.
Canadian. I like that.
Yes. Also, for all those who do not know, quintessentially is also another word that means perfect. So, learn something new
Every day.
every day.
So we'll just make quintessentially the word of the day. Or quintessential.
yeah, and
Hey, the cameraman was successful. He got it open.
nice. It's shaped like a maple leaf.
It is, which is Canada's symbol.
Thank you. Correct us if we're wrong. Okay, we could look at like the same time.
That's just weird. You like first.
No, let me drink. Okay. It smells like those maple donuts we had in Vermont, but it tastes different because I think it has less sugar in it. Since it's pure maple syrup.
Okay, so you know how maple syrup usually has that sweet sugary taste? This doesn't exactly.
Yeah. It is good though,
It is.
as
I
you can
can't
tell.
stop looking at.
Okay, my turn.
You want to try?
Give me my side. I want my side. Ow. Yeah, that's good. Oh, excuse me. What do we do with this?
We need to put it on wax paper.
I have a bug bite on my arm. Okay.
Hold on. Wax paper this first. There we go. There. We're doing this in the kitchen, obviously. So the gum, Thrills gum. It still tastes like soap is a strange but endearingly Canadian description for this rose water flavored chewing gum. This will be really interesting.
They look like those little like things they give kids when they have headaches.
One for our cameraman. One for you.
Thank you.
One for me.
Probably gonna end up spitting this out. So it's terrible.
I don't know.
Ready? 1, 2.
Bottoms up.
Oh.
It does taste like rose water.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh, that's weird. You want to try this? It's rose water flavored chewing gum.
Oh.
Oh. That's weird.
That's disgusting.
It's so gross, but I can't stop.
Okay, I'll be right back.
This is why Canadians are so polite. Anytime they say a curse word, their mom just gives them some of this.
Oh. I can't. Oh. Yeah.
I clearly can't stop chewing it.
You better not say any swear words. I don't know what to do from you now.
That's so weird.
Father is unfazed by this, just so you know. He's standing there chewing and just like,
I'm
oh.
gonna take that out. Oh.
Okay.
Ever feel like the minion off of Despicable Me 2?
So
Those
wanna
are the
rate
snacks from,
them on a
yeah.
1 to 10, on a 1 to 5 scale.
yeah, from the mini box.
Okay.
That's what I got.
First we have the ketchup chips.
I might rate that at like a 5.
Yeah, these are actually pretty good.
I mean, not like the best things in the world, but
Yeah, but on a scale of 1 to 5 is pretty good. On
oh,
a
I
scale
feel
of
like we'll do.
we could do a 10.
Let's do a 10.
Okay.
5
Never
being
mind.
the middle. Yeah, I'd rate those at maybe like a 5.
I think I'd give them a 5.5.
Yeah, I was just thinking at 5 or 5.5.
Alright, next the oh hello. Stay where you are, mister.
The Ruffles, oh, a 10.
Yes, these were amazing.
Like,
Would eat these, go to Canada, I would
Live on
binge
them.
these chips.
Okay, the Thrills gum, like a 1.
That's getting like a -3 on mine. My mouth still tastes like the rose water.
On the other hand, it's peanut free.
Oh, that's nice.
It's made in Spain.
Maybe the roses are fresh.
Maybe. That's just weird. Okay, the toffee. It tasted like regular toffee, honestly. So
I didn't really taste anything. It just tastes like butterscotch to me. So I don't know. I'd give it a 4, I think.
maybe, maybe a 5 or a 6, cause
I don't know. Since we didn't taste anything, I feel like that downgrades it. And I mean,
please don't break your retainer. No, you're permanently. Okay, the maple lollipop. I probably maybe put that at a 9 or a 10.
I'd give it I'd give it a 10. It's
'Cause it was
not
good.
as sugary and it's really good. Yeah. Okay, and finally The Fuzzy Peach Gummies. I personally give these a 10. I really liked them.
Yeah.
Actually, no, maybe like a 9.5 because the sugar coating on it.
Kind of had a sour taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I feel like that add to it. 9.5.
Probably a 10 for me. They're pretty good. There are other snacks you can get into it. Oh, look, we got some off. I'm putting that in the wax. There are other snacks you can get, like Juicy Squirts. They are soft and snackable gummies filled with a sweet splash of fruit flavor in every bite.
Like Gushers.
Yeah, Glosset raisins. They're sweet raisins drenched in creamy chocolate milk. Not chocolate milk, milk chocolate.
Chocolate milk.
There's Doritos Zesty Cheese. They are chips.
So Parmesan and cheddar cheese blend.
Yeah, with a
Doritos.
deliciously tangy kick.
Tangy.
Then there's a Passion Flake, and it's a light and sweet Canadian favorite that features flaky pastry filled with fruit, jelly, and cream. Those sound good.
Yeah.
Ringolos Barbecue.
They're crunchy rings made from corn and infused with savory and smoky barbecue flavor. So
And
Yeah.
then Nestle Smarties, and they are chocolate candies that are covered in brightly colored sugar coating. And then a Snack Crate Plus for the Canada box is a crushed cream soda. It's a Canadian riff on cream soda that features the flavors of orange and French vanilla blended together for a sweet taste that is smooth and sweet. So that'd be interesting to get. But I think you have to get like a larger box.
do you know what comes in the next one?
I think it's up to me on what box I want. So like there are various boxes I can get. There's a Russia box, a Hawaii box, Greece, Italy, Germany.
We should
What should we do next?
maybe, if anyone is watching this, you could either vote on it or
True. Do a vote. If there's a box, if there's a country you want us to try from, drop a comment below, and we'll put it in like a poll or something. Otherwise, I will just randomly choose. I do know that there's a mystery box, but I think I will save that for December because December is the month of surprises since it's Christmas time, and a mystery box will be fun. So, thanks for watching. Bye.